Teach an old dog new tricks.com. More than 40 hours of free computer training. Sit, stay, and learn. Thank you. Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz, and I want to thank you for being here for this video. We are going to talk about some of the other tools you can use when you are looking at a video on YouTube. I want you to notice down here on the bottom of the video, there is something called subscribe. The company or organization that made this video is called Howcast, H-O-W-C-A-S-T. If I clicked on this link, it would take me to a channel of all their videos. I'll talk about channels very briefly here, and then I'll describe it more in another video. If you have a lot of videos on YouTube, to do that, you have to sign in or subscribe to YouTube. The way you do that is by setting up a Google account. Now, if you have a Google account, maybe a Gmail account, or for some other reason, just by signing in through that, you should be able to create a YouTube account. By having a YouTube account, you can upload things and you can do other things. So some of the things that I'm going to talk about is you have to be signed in before you can do them. In order to subscribe, you have to be signed in. Not all things are needed to be signed in for, but some of them are. And you'll see that. If you're prompted to sign in, you'll know you have to sign in. So that's the way a lot of that works. When you look at a video, you can like it, you can dislike it. You can learn more about it. If I click on About, it shows us information. Very little information, but if I click on Show More, there might be more detail there. I can also share this video with others. Here is a link that I can copy and paste in an email, or I can share it on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and some other places as well. So I can share this link if I so desire. I can add it to different types of playlists, but here is an example of where I've got to sign in. I can also look at a transcript. Now, not all videos have transcripts. Here's a transcript. I can also see statistics about this video. Again, not all organizations let you see information or statistics. That's something that can be turned on and off. If you're thinking about producing videos, keep in mind there are a lot of preferences you can change or create to determine how your video is used and shared. If it's an inappropriate video, I can report it. So when you work or look at a video, there are a lot of things you can do to promote those videos, to share those videos, and learn more about those videos. And only through time and experience will you start to see some of the options that are available to you. When you are signed in, if we scroll down the page, you can also see that there are comments down here. If you're signed in and you like that video, you can actually post a comment. So a lot of the comments are can be rude. Some of them are very appropriate. But it's a great way to give feedback if you like that and you think it's worthwhile. Tell the person who created it that you like it. Send them a comment. So this is a little more information on YouTube and some of the things that you can do with some of the videos that are already there. But part of this process that I want to talk to you about is the fact that once you see how this all works, hey, you might have something you want to share with the world. Even if it's videos of your children or pet or whatever it might be, you can create videos and share it with the world. This is a platform to allow you to do that. My name is Tony Holowitz, and I want to thank you for being here. Have a wonderful day.